Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. Recently we went to a restaurant where they served this appetizer and it was super delicious and we thought we're going to try and recreate that for you guys. It's super delicious and it's not that hard to make. Also you can use it as a spread or as a dip. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are about 5 cooked beetroots, as much bacon bits as you want. We're going to use roughly 200 grams, some goat cheese, a small handful of pine nuts, and finally a small handful of coriander.
This recipe will serve about 5 to 6 people.
First we're going to fry the bacon bits. Take a pan and put it on fire and put your bacon in there. You don't really need to add oil because the bacon is fatty enough on its own. I'm just going to fry it on a medium to medium low fire until it's nice and crispy. Once the bacon bits are nice and crispy, take a plate and put some kitchen paper on there and transfer your bits on there. There we go, just set them aside so that the excess fat can be drained. I also like to put another paper towel on top and press it against the bits so that all or mostly all of the fat is absorbed. In the meanwhile, I've cut up the beets into smaller chunks so it is easier to mix them up. I'm going to mix them using a hand mixer. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can always use a grater, but the texture won't be as fine. Let's start mixing. After this, I'm just going to season it a little bit with some salt and some pepper and give it a good stir. There we go. So now it's time for the presentation. Take a nice large bowl and put your beet mixture in there. Put some pine nuts on top. Then some bacon bits. Put as much as you want. If you want to make it pretty, don't put a lot, I don't know. Then take some goat cheese and pinch little bits of it and crumble it on top. And to finish it off, a little bit of coriander in the middle. And there you have it. You can serve this as a large bowl and just put it in the middle of a table at a party and everybody can dig in. Or you can make small portions in small bowls and then distribute it like that. Just choose whatever fits you best. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to put some freshly cut baguette on the side and there you go. You can dig in.
Time for a test. So I've spread some of the mixture on a piece of brown bread and now I'm going to try it. Cheers! I just love the combination of flavors. We're definitely going to serve this for some friends at a party or just for ourselves because it's really good. So we hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you guys for watching and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!